Today we are looking at X, and this is the social media originally called Twitter, but now it's called X, which have a nice domain called x.com, the most easy domain that I can memorize in my brain. So after we can see, this is our X, and it don't have a nice blooper that we all remember, but what can I do is enable this extension right here, and I could refresh. Everything is back to Twitter. Our Bluebird is back to life. Now, another people says, how can I install this extension? First thing, if you are a Firefox user, well, you can already go to Firefox Marketplace. You can already get this extension. I'll put the link in description, so you can go ahead and get it. But if you're on a Chromium-based browser, like up here is on Google Chromium, and you will not find it on Web Store. You have to install it from source. So what you have to do is go to a source right here. This project is called XBegun, which you can see right here. And you can see XBegun, the Firefox and Chrome extension. If you are going to use Firefox, of course I will give you a link. And now we have to install it. Installation console very easy. We just go code, download zip, and boot download zip right there. It's called XBegun master, and we just open it, extract, and we extract into here. And now I have to overwrite all the files because I already have these files. So now what you have to do is go to extension tab on three dots, more tools, extensions, and next you have to do is enable your developer mode. Just right here, right up here, and quick load unpacked, and quick downloads and find the folder you got extracted. It's called XBegun master. And now you have to select it and it will be installed. Now, when you go back to your Twitter, it should be Twitter instead of X. But we have one problem here is not working on TweetDeck. So you can see it says X Pro here. They update their name, I guess. Origin is called TweetDeck Preview. Now it's called X Pro. So I might fix this if I want to make a PR for them, but you know it's like 1:59 a.m. right now. I would have some more thing to do later, and I have to go sleep to feed my Pokemon. So that's just a short video talking about how you can revert back from X to Twitter. Let me show you guys again. It's Twitter, not X. Just like that. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.